guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is showing you my dressing table full tour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a before of what it looks like or used to look like, and then I'm going to show you an after. Obviously you can see a little few sneak peeks now. I'm going to show you the before now, and then I'm going to show you of the actual dressing table itself.
Baby, even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try. If we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try. You find it distracting, hold of our issues, rather die with you. We no longer talk when it gets hard, so it only gets harder. I know you were gonna get the best of me. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. Oh, I'd rather be with you, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just tried. If we just tried. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try. We can do better, baby, I believe. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. We can do it better, baby, I believe. I believe. Even if I try and try so hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try so hard, tell me what you do now. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try. If we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive.
So this is what my dressing table is looking like now. I've still got a couple of things to add on, but they are the very last minute things. It's just a new tumbler and I can't remember what else it was now, but this is the final result. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and show you the drawers, because they've all been sorted out and organised. So you guys would have seen already, but I have all my eyeshadow palettes in this drawer here, all nice and neatly. And then all of these drawers, or most of these drawers, have these wicker baskets. Now I will leave these in the description box below for you guys, because I have different sizes and different lengths. So I have this big one here just to have all my hair brushing, my hair combs, my clips, my heat protection spray. I've got all my little devices and stuff there, got all them in there. This side is really annoying because I've got the net curtain by the window and it's really annoying. And then I have this basket here. Now I have an empty one here because just in case I get some more setting sprays. So if this one is full up, I can have this one here to fill up as well. So I've got some Iconic London, I've got Revolution, I've got Huda Beauty, you know, I've got Urban Decay, and then I've got all my miniature ones sitting here. So these are the actual baskets so that's what they look like. Again, I will leave them in the description box so you guys can see properly. Then this is my lashes drawer. I've just obviously left them all loose. This is the smaller kind of version of the box. I've just popped my Imogen lashes here. And I've got these little ones here as well. I've got these from Amazon. I've got all the storage boxes from Amazon as well. And then this drawer here is got all of my Elemis in. So I will actually do a proper video of this drawer. It's got all my Elemis stuff products in. So it's got all my cleansing balms here, all my like lotions and stuff, more lotions and some facial washes. Yeah, so I've got loads of Elemis stuff here, which will be coming into a video as well because it'll be my Elemis collection. So I've got that drawer there. Then continue on over this side. So obviously I still had my skincare caddy, so that's staying here. You see I've got my coaster and my tumbler here. And then I've added another one of these on top because I like to, because I've got so many lipsticks, lip liners, lip balms, you know, lip glosses. So I like to keep them all in these. So I had to buy another one of these, and I got these from Amazon. Then I have my makeup brush holder here, which is pretty good. Let me just move that candle out of the way. So you've got these little pearls in, so I've got all my makeup brushes in there, and I got that from Amazon as well. And I just have that little candle sitting there. Then over onto my actual desk, I've just got a Yankee candle here, which I actually love the smells. This is the Calm and Quiet Place, so I just kept that candle there for now. Then I have these cotton storage. So I've got the big ones for the overall cottons pads, and I've got this one for the smaller ones, and then this one has my cotton balls in. And again, I've got these from Amazon. I absolutely love them, and they come in a set of 3 as well, and I love them bits. And then over here, I really do love this. I have this marble tray here, which is pretty heavy, and I thought that would look so well. So my vision was to have this and them all on there, but because of the big one, it all don't fit on properly, so I thought I'll just have it like this. I think it looks really, really nice. It's stone as well, so I've got this from Amazon. What I'll try and do is everything that I've purchased to finish off my dressing table, I will leave in the description box below for you guys. But I've also got this storage for our cotton buds, and the lid just comes up as well. So I thought I'll put that there. I've got my deodorant and I've got my perfume sitting there. Please excuse my DVD player at the moment. I'm actually currently watching Pretty Little Liars on DVD, so please excuse that. So obviously I can't get into that drawer just yet because obviously I've got to move everything up from there, but I will show you in here. It's just got these little storage things in here, and please excuse the state of this side at this moment in time. But I've got these storage from Amazon, the desk storages, I will leave it in the description box as well. Then I've got a new phone stand here, which is just from Amazon. I've got these touch lights as well, which is from Shein, I think it was. So you just touch it, it turns it on, and then obviously use your remote to turn it off, you know. So yeah, that's that. And then over here I have this. So I did have my corner perfume stand here, but I looked at it and I thought I want something different. I want something that will store my perfumes and stuff away. So I have these drawers here, so I will be getting more of these for elsewhere as well. But yeah, these just have all my perfumes in, and then they have my body sprays in at the bottom. I just thought they were very much more better, and then I can see if I need any more sprays and stuff. And then I have my headphones and headphone stand right here. Again, I got them all from Amazon, including these drawers as well. And moving over to these side of the drawers of this dressing table. So starting from the bottom, again I have these wicker baskets here, and then I just have small little tray there for my eyeliners. I've also got my mascaras in there, all my brow stuff in there, and all my eyeliners in there. And then more baskets. So this is basically my highlighter drawer. So if I get any other highlighters, I can just either do that, put them in there, or move that and then pop them at the back. All my little ones, like my little bottles and stuff here. So I've got that one there, and then exactly the same, this is my contour and blush drawer, so I put all my blushes in here. And again, if I have loads more, I can just separate the baskets and put more stuff there. I absolutely love these baskets because you can get different sizes, different shapes, like these little small ones. They are very, very useful for small little drawers. Yeah, I did actually search up to see if these actually can fit into, obviously, the Alex 9 drawers, which they can. So I've got my powders here, I've got my bronzers here. And then in my last drawer, again, I have another set of 4 of the small ones. And I've just got all my primers there, foundation, concealer. I don't really have that much. But yeah, I do have a makeup bag somewhere. And again, if I needed some space, I can just move them along like that. I'll try and list everything that I have showed you in the description box below. Like I said, there is only just literally a couple of things that I just need to buy, which is I've seen a leopard print tumbler, so I might get that. And there was something else, but I can't remember what it was now. But the DVD player will not be staying on my desk for long. I'm just got to go through watching some DVDs. I've got to catch up on Love Island as well, which I've got a lot to do because I've got filming to do, I've got my shopping coming, I've got to catch up on Love Island. Yes, I've got so much to do. I've got to fill in my planner books. So I'm trying to get as much done as possible. But as for the dressing table, it is now completely finished. I don't know whether to get another 2 sets of them storages that's got my perfumes in. I don't know whether to get another 2 set of them so I can fit more perfumes and stuff in. That's a maybe, maybe not, I don't know, it depends really. But yeah, this is my dressing table all now finished and sorted. I've got all new organisers for it and I absolutely love it. I think my best purchase for the dressing table has to be this marble tray. I absolutely love it. I love marble. And yeah, it sets off the dressing table really, really nicely and I absolutely love it. So guys, without further ado, I'm going to leave it here. If you have enjoyed today's video, as always, give it a like, comment and subscribe. There's plenty more videos coming up your way, guys. I'm going to film a revamp for my salon trolley. It's not so much of a revamp, it's just buy new things for it. I'm obviously going to buy them small little baskets. Now, if you don't remember, I'm actually going to buy these little baskets, just a few, just to go into the drawers of my salon trolley to make it a bit more tidy, a bit more storage space, so I can fit more stuff in there. And then I'm going to buy some acrylics to sit on top of the salon trolley as well, just to make it a bit more better. But yeah, I'm going to do like a revamp and then like a before and after, like I've done to my dressing table. I'm going to reorganise my lamp shelf. So there'll be 2 kind of videos of that, and a reorganising of my wardrobe. It's an absolute state at the moment. It needs proper organisation. It needs sorting out properly. So yeah, there will be plenty more videos coming up your way, guys. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. As always, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.